Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and assemble the Teleprompter by Leeventi. Now this is a teleprompter you can use with a device and it will reflect what is on your device so you can read the screen. Now it came in a bunch of parts, a little tiny box, wasn't what I expected really, but looks like it'll work out all right. If you want to see how it came and how it was packaged, please check out the unboxing video that is on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel, so you can check that out in a card up there. Watch that, see how it was packaged so you can know what to expect when you receive yours. Now it came with all kinds of instructions right here. So we got this one, a lot of different languages, which is kind of confusing, but I suppose they're selling all over the world, so that's nice. Something for free there for some code. You can check that out later. Got this one. And then we've got something for the foot remote. Maybe some kind of software, something like that. Copy and paste. We'll get to that maybe. This is the one we're after though. This is the instructions. So we've got American or English. That's what we want. Everything else can go aside. So the instructions seem to be pretty straightforward and simple. Remove the protective layers from the two plates, number 2 and 3. All right, numbers 2 and 3 are these two here. So 2 and 3. All right, that's number 1. Number 13. Number 12. Fabric is number 4. 10 and 11 are the foot pedal right here, 10 and 11. And then number 9 are these little clips. What else we have here? We've got 5, which are these stickers. We have 7 and 6, which are these two little nuts for the phone holder or camera mount. And then we have 8, which are these 6 pins right here. So let's get on with the instructions. It says remove the protective layer from 2 and 3. So that's these. All right, there we go. Okay, next step. We remove the protective layers. Now slide the bottom of plate 2 into the side holder 12 so the holes overlap and then secure with pins. So 2 with 12. So like this. Like this. Slide that in here. Boom. So the holes overlap. So now we got to make sure these holes overlap. Okay. Secure with the pin. Doesn't say from which direction. All right, check. Next step, mount the second side holder 13 in the bottom of plate 2. Fasten with 2 pins. 13 on 2 right here. All right. Slide the top of plate 3 between the 2 side holders 12 and 13. Secure with 2 pins. Plate 3, this one right there. Slide it in. Looks like the holes match up there, so that's got to be it. All right, next. We have removed the protective layer from the reflective glass, number 1, on both sides. Slide it into the side holders, 12 and 13. Cover the pins, number 8, with the foam rubber stickers to provide more support. Okay. So remove the film from both sides of this. Okay, slide it in. There we go. Looks kind of funny, but hopefully that works. Then it says to cover the pins with these stickers. Well, these stickers are so strong they peel the paper right off the sticker, off the holder. So the stickers aren't really going to be working because there's nothing sticky on there. Try another one. Nope. Took the paper off. I guess they're good stickers, but we're supposed to put these on top of these pins. I don't understand the point of that because it wouldn't hold the pin in. Maybe they mean on the bottom of the pin, but that wouldn't matter anyway. So we're going to forget the stickers since they're not really working anyway. Hopefully they work for you. Again, we'll have that in the review video. There will be a review video on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel after we've tested it out, so you can check it out if you haven't in the card already. It'll be in a card in this video. Alright, so after we've done that, provided more support, we go on to the back side, and it says, place the cloth over the teleprompter so there is a clear view of the reflective glass. Fasten the cloth to the teleprompter with the 2 clamps, 4 and 9. So put the cloth over the teleprompter. Now there's no directions to this, so over the teleprompter, and fasten it with the clips so there is a clear view of the glass. See if they got a picture for us. This isn't even the right product. Look at that. This is an octagon or an angled cut, and ours are rounded cuts. So this picture doesn't apply, so we don't follow any of this. Even in this picture, they're all rounded cuts. Alright, how about up here? So it looks like the cloth, it's got a tripod. Ours doesn't have a tripod, but they've got a cloth here draped over the back. Same with this one, the cloth is draped, but that looks like the screen is vertical, whereas our screen is definitely angled like this. Unless it, no, there's no way to make that screen unless they put the screen there, but then that wouldn't fit that diagram. So it looks like the cloth is going to go over this. Just like that, and we'll fasten it with the clips. I'm going to put all 4 clips on there so we don't slide. Alright, what does it say next? Teleprompter can be attached to a tripod with the nut right there. Place the projection device on the bottom plate, turn up the display, screw the silver screw into your smartphone holder. Webcams, GoPros, zoom in. Alright, so it looks like this is it. It is fully set up, and now you'd put your device down here, and then it would hopefully reflect off of this and you would see it. Looks like this hole here would be where you would have your camera mount, but that would almost be too close, so I don't think that would fit. There's no way that you would fit this in there, but we'll go over all that in the review after we've tested it out. But this is it, how to set up and assemble the teleprompter. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Also, check out that unboxing video and the review video on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. And you will be able to see how the product works in that review, or if it doesn't work, or if it can't be figured out, any of that kind of stuff. But I hope you like this video. Do so by clicking on that like button. In addition, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay tuned to more how-to video channel videos. And if you feel like supporting us, please do so by becoming a member of the channel or contributing financially. Thank you.